Hello, hi, good afternoon. We are very, very sleepy and it's only like 3 p.m. We're on our way to celebrate Chuseok with my husband's family. I still wonder if I'm saying that right.
Chuseok is right.
Chuseok, yay! It's like Korean Thanksgiving. It's like one of the two big holidays that they have here, where all of the family come together and they meet at like the eldest person's house. So we're going to his grandma's house for his dad's side of the family, and then tomorrow we're going to his uncle's house for his mum's side of the family. And yeah, we're gonna make some. What was it? Sodok?
송편.
Sumpyeon. Sumpyeon. We're gonna make some sumpyeon. We're gonna have some food. We're going to spend the night in a fancy hotel. Well, I don't know if it's fancy, but it's fancy for me because it's got a computer and a bath. So that's luxury for me. I get to play my game and take a bath. Yeah, so let's go to my husband's grandma's house. Sorry, I'm very, very sleepy. It's been a long drive and the weather is like gloomy and very British. So I'm sleepy. Anyway, let's go. We've come out to Jaehon's uncle's land to collect some pine needles for the dish we're going to making, because apparently it needs pine needles. So we're like right out in the Korean countryside here, collecting pine needles and stuff. It's kind of an adventure, even though it's raining. Yeah, so I'm going to go back to collecting.
So we are dealing with old drunken men.
His uncle and his dad have already been drinking a little while, so they're a little bit drunk right now. Hello. My husband and I are taking a little walk. We keep trying to offer to help with the cooking and stuff, but they keep telling us to go away. So politely, like, oh, we don't need your help, it's fine. So we're just taking a little walk through the countryside. We'll go back when it's closer to eating time or when they tell us they need us. But yeah, having a good time. It's just a little noisy because there's two quite drunk men, which I get it. It happens at family gatherings, but yeah, we're just taking a nice walk through the Korean countryside. Let's go. Okay, hello. So we're heading back now. We're going to be making, they're like, I think kind of like pine needle dumplings. I'm not entirely sure what they are, but I'm excited because I get to do something. I feel bad just kind of sitting around while his mum and his aunt do all the cooking. So I'm looking forward to actually contributing something. And it's always nice to get to make something new. Last time I think we made like a different kind of dumpling. So yeah, anyway, let's go.
여보, 손표 어디 있어? 나도 컷이다 컷. 아, 나는 컷이야. 여기 올 수 없어.
야, 그 말을 듣는.
요건 뒤집어야 될 것 같은데.
그럼 잘 뒤집어보세요. 예쁘지? 들고 가서 나빠. 이게 들고 와 소리 들고 와. 이렇게 알았지? 동그랗게 모양을 만들어가네. 어렵네. 어려워. 공수야 눈 같잖아 눈.
저 남자분들은 이제 술 드시고 주무시는 게 그냥?
액션이야? 액션. I'm not very good at it.
만드는 모습. 자. 화이팅.
아 힘들어요.
힘들어요? 아니 잘할 수 있어요.
Okay. Make it round. Ish.
큐티. 큐티.
Cute.
뷰티풀까지는 안 바래. 큐티만 해도.
Make it like a little bowl.
오.
Then connection. Connect. Ta-da! Hello, hi. You probably can't see me very well. Oh, actually, you can. We're tired. We were making the dumplings for like an hour. It feels very late at night, even though it's not actually that late at night. But yeah, we're going to finally go to our hotel now. We just did a convenience store run. And yeah, let me show you the hotel. We've actually stayed at this hotel before. But yeah, let's go. Hello, we finally arrived at our hotel. It's actually not that far. It's like 5 minutes from his grandmother's place. But let me show you the room. We have stayed, I think, in this exact room before, actually. So very nice, a good start. Massage chair. My husband loves this last time. Gaming computer. And you can just like log into your own gaming accounts and play here. Nice long desk thing, little makeup area for me in the morning. Although we're getting up so early, I might not do my makeup. There's my husband. Little sitting area. Alphabet that doesn't finish, which annoys me, but it's a nice big TV. Washing room, I guess, shower. Big bath. Big bath. But from what I remember last time, you have to like fill it. Yeah, you have to fill it with the shower head, which isn't great. But it's better than no bath. So, and there's our bed, and then the toilet. Oh, it's okay. I don't know what that was. The toilet is like all the way over here. Has like its own little section. Yeah, so this is our room for the night. It's about 8:30 now. I think we should go to bed kind of early because we have to, like I said, we have to be at his grandmother's house very early, like 8 o'clock in the morning. And it's going to be another long day, so I think we're going to chill for like an hour or two and then try and sleep. So, yeah. Good night. Hello, hi, good morning. I'm very sleepy. We're now back at his grandmother's house. We're about to have breakfast. I'm honestly not too sure what the plan is today. I know we're having breakfast here. I know we're having dinner at his uncle's house later, my husband's uncle's house later. And I know that we are at some point going to go back to our city to check on our cats and my friend's cats because he's in Japan. And then we're going to his uncle's for dinner. So like we've got breakfast, we've got dinner plans, we've got plans to go home at some point. But other than that, I have no idea what the plan is today. So it'll be a surprise for all of us. I'm very sleepy. I'm very tired. Yeah. Happy Chuseok. Right, I'm going to try and wake up and be social. Let's go. And maybe I'll cake zoom.
잠깐 이게 찍어요.
Oh, good. Pause. You cannot see your face. Hello, hi. We are temporarily home. So we went to grandma's for dinner. We did breakfast this morning. We did lunch with them. We went to a cafe. We made dumplings. We've been very, very busy. But we also had to come check on our cats. So we drove all the way back to our home city, checked on our cats, checked on my friend's cats because he's in Japan. And then in like an hour, we're going to go back to my husband's hometown to go have dinner with a different side of the family. Busy, busy, busy. Chuseok is a busy, busy time. Yeah. So I actually might end the video here because I'm not as close with I don't know, like his grandmother and stuff, they don't mind if we film as long as we don't film them. But his uncle and that side of the family, I don't know them that well, so I probably won't film anything while we're there. So I'm probably gonna end the video here. Sorry this video has been a little bit all over the place. It's been a very all over the place couple of days. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Goodbye.